Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a map chart in Excel. A map chart is used to visualize geographical data. To create a map chart, we need geographical fields like state, country, etc. and numerical fields. Let's create a map chart in Excel. The table contains United States sales data. It has two columns, state and sales. The state column represents the geographical data and sales column represents the numerical fields. Let's create a map chart to visualize the sales of different states of United States. For that, select both the columns, states and sales. Then go to insert, then recommended charts, then all charts, then map, then click OK. A map chart has been created. Here you can observe that each state has been automatically color coded based on the sales value. The higher the value that it represents, the darker the color of the state. Let's change this chart title as sales data. Let's make some changes in the chart. First select the chart, then go to this paint brush option that is chart style, then click the chart style. You will get various options over here. Let's make it like this, then select the chart. Then go to, in the right hand side you get format data series. Go to series option, then series option, you will get various options. Map area, you can select world map, or you can also select multiple countries and regions. There are various options. Here I am going to select only regions with data. Then map labels, I am going to select show all, so all the state name, you can see all the states name now. Let's increase the size of the chart. Here we can also add data labels. We can also change the color of the chart. Select the chart, then format data series, then series color. In series color, there is two color option is there. We can select diverging three colors for three different regions. Here also we can change the color for minimum lowest value. Let's make it as light blue, and medium value, let's make it as this color, and the highest value as the dark. That's all for this video. Thank you.